How to take off Spotify Premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can take off our Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, taking off our Spotify Premium is fairly simple, but the process cannot be done using the app. Spotify makes it a bit harder for you to cancel the subscription. You have to log in from your browser. So open up your browser, go to spotify.com and log into the account of which you would like to cancel the subscription. Once you have done that, tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then just go to the option here known as View Account. When you go to the View Account tab, right under it, you'll find an option that says Manage Your Plan. If you have Premium, so go to Manage Your Plan option. And from here, all you have to do is you'll find your premium subscription. Now, in my case, I already have the free version. That is why I'm saying the Join Premium. But if you have Premium, you'll find the Join Free one option over here. And once you have done that, you'll be able to take off your Spotify Premium and then switch to the free version. This way you can take off your Spotify Premium. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.